quick look at the highlights of the game. It was a pretty high-octane encounter. Jobby Justin had an early chance, flashed it wide. And then a lovely chance, Aymar Adam taking an outside dodge that left Ayush Das completely startled. He couldn't time his run to perfection, couldn't time his outing to perfection. And then a fine chance went begging as well. That was another incredible opportunity. Diamond Harbour FC came mighty close on quite a few occasions in the first half. But it's the second half that turned things around. A cross from the left that was collected comfortably enough, and then another opportunity for KAMS that saw them scoring that all-important second goal. That all-important first goal. A lovely header from point-blank range, and then Raghav Gupta setting up the screamer from the big man, Aymar Adam. That was his brace. Incredible strike. One touch to receive, one touch to roll it onto his stride, and another to finish. And then Aymar Adam created that opportunity with a lovely chance. And then a miss from the goalkeeper. But nonetheless, that wasn't the end of it. Once again, another opportunity created, and incredible save by Ayush Das to deny the opposition. That's a lovely ball, and almost could have found goal number 5. And out of nowhere, Karbi came forward, knocking on the doors before the final whistle was blown. And with that, we will conclude today's fixture.